how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cat pumpkin. It's going to be cute, easy, and for beginners, so let's get started. What first thing is, I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker and regular printing paper. If you do like Halloween drawings and learning Halloween drawing lessons, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. So if you like that stuff, it's going to give you notifications when I do that. I post usually about 3 months out of the year, and it's going to give you that notification 3 months out of the year. So like from now on, maybe next year you forget, you're like, oh cool, it's Halloween drawings around Halloween. So always a lot of fun. So let's get started. First thing I would do is I'm going to draw a curved line here for one eye. Over here, close that off. Going over here on this eye. Up. Okay, so now I'm going to do the cat nose, which is like an upside down triangle there. It's going to be small though. Remember the small part. Up. Up. Tongue here. And a line here for the tongue. Circle right here for the highlight. Circle right here for the highlight. And I'm going to fill in most of this. Except for the bottom, maybe to make it look more shiny and gleaming. All right, now I'm going to do the outside of the what did I say, skull? Did I say skull? No, pumpkin. Yeah, jack-o'-lantern. Over here, curve over here. Hope I said pumpkin. Curve over here. Gonna do the underside first. Oops. So right here I'm gonna go boom, 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 boom right here for that texture of the pumpkin. Then I go to the top, boom, boom, this side, boom, 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 like so. Alright, I'm going to draw the ears first, so I'm going to go over here, curve, line on the side there, pretty big ears, curve in. Go over here, the other side. Do the exact same. Line over here for the stem. Out. In. Right on. Doing good so far. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw an inner line for this ear, an inner line for this ear. And I'm going to fill this part in right here. See, I'm going to fill it in dark with the black marker here. Hello, Lily. Over here. Filling that in. Line here, line here. And I'm going to pull lines for the rivets. Like so. So. So right here, these thin lines. Alrighty, let's kind of get into more of it. So if you want to make it look more like a pumpkin, you can actually draw some grass, like he's on the floor right there. It's a cute little cat pumpkin right here. And it's always cute when you draw it like kind of on a hill, like it's like, you know what I mean? Like the ground plane is like this as opposed to completely straight. You could do either one, but there's something a little bit dynamic about making it curved. So yeah, there's always something really dynamic about that. I'm gonna draw a little bit of thicker line here on the side bottom because I want it to make it look like there's like, I don't know, like ground, like pressure on the ground kind of thing. I kind of like that. Alrighty, and if you really want more going on here, we can do what I usually do in the backgrounds, which is draw like maybe a gravestone back here, like that gravestone, that upside down U shape, and then you just draw these wiggly lines on it, like there's writing. And over, you can always maybe draw like a fence. Remember my way of drawing a fence? I just draw these straight lines up, and I draw like a line across them. It's just a bunch of T's. You don't even need it on both sides, but I'm going to do it on both sides. Like so. And that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you sticking around this long. You are amazing. Like, don't forget that. Really remember that I'm looking forward to so much fun this Halloween. So I want to give you a free giveaway if you haven't seen it already. I am going to give you a free ebook on, it's 100 pages. It's on how to draw Halloween drawings. They are templates made from old videos. They are made specifically as worksheets where you can just get one page and draw from it at a time. So, but there's over 100 in this PDF. And I used to sell this, but I wanted to give it out completely for free this year as a gift because the channel has been around for a little bit. And I don't know, I'm just very grateful this year, so I really feel like it's just a good idea to get it for free to thank everybody that's been around. So, and everybody new, I guess. I appreciate it. That link is going to be the first link in the top of the description, so go look at that right now and click on it and collect that thing right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to have it forever, so definitely go get it right now while you can. And when they're made to be printed, by the way, so if you can always like put into your printer and then pick the page you want to print out, and it'll do it. So anyways, that's it. Thank you so much. Do me a favor and give me ideas for more drawings in the descriptions. I believe this was an idea. If anybody has any more, let me know. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and that's it. Okay, I will talk to you very, very, very soon. And yeah, that is all. Stay spooky, everybody.